Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from PrizePicks. Alright, so let's begin. First open up your PrizePicks app and sign into your account. In order to withdraw, you have to have obviously deposited money, used your initial deposit, and have a minimum balance of $10 or more. First, go ahead and tap the little lines in the upper left hand corner next to the PrizePicks logo. You'll see all of these settings here. What we want to do is scroll down until you see request withdrawal, which will be about midway down. Once you tap on request withdrawal, it will allow you to withdraw funds and also see your withdrawal history. Right here, you will have different methods available to withdraw. For example, it might be PayPal, a credit card, or another payment method depending on your account. What you're going to want to do is tap on the method you want to use. After that, you can select the amount that you want to withdraw. For example, you could enter 50 and then tap the button that says withdraw with the amount you selected. After that, it will send a confirmation code. Go ahead and tap confirm and your withdrawal will begin processing. Within a few seconds, you should see that the amount has been deducted from your account and sent to the payment method you selected, and that's it. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from PrizePicks. So that's all for this video.